Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Confirm the key fob is present and the vehicle is unlocked. Walk around the car to ensure the charging cable is disconnected and the charge port door is closed. Check the 12V battery and high voltage battery charge level. Aim for at least 12, 4V and 20% respectively. Inspect tire pressure and cabin settings before powering on. Set the park brake and press the brake pedal before shifting to drive or reverse. Keep your phone and charging card accessible for quick access to charging networks. Rotate the belt tensioner with a 15 mm breaker bar or serpentine tool to relieve tension and slide the belt off the alternator pulley, noting belt routing. Disconnect the alternator electrical connector by depressing the tab, then remove the main battery cable at the alternator stud using a 10 mm socket and a small rag to protect paint. Remove the alternator mounting bolts with 15 mm and 18 mm sockets. Support the alternator as you extract it from the bracket, and compare the old unit to replace the replacement alternator into the bracket and start the mounting bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading. Tighten them snugly with 15 mm and 18 mm sockets. Reinstall the main battery cable on the alternator stud and torque to hand tight plus a quarter turn. Plug the electrical connector back in, and ensure the wiring harness is seated. Route the serpentine belt on pulleys per your reference photo. Release the tensioner slowly to seat the belt. Reconnect the negative battery cable, start the engine, and verify charging with a multimeter reading near 13, 5 to 14, 8.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.